Hey guys, how's it going? Coderman here, and I am in a new place, as you can see right behind me. So where exactly am I, and why am I making this video? Yeah, so as you can see from behind me, this is a new property. My wife and I actually became real estate investors for the first time this year, and it's something that we're really excited to be doing. We're doing it together, we're working on the property together, just basically going through the whole process. This is something that I've personally wanted to do for many years. She's definitely been involved with it and obviously took the plunge with me. So this is probably the #1 reason why you have not seen a new car. You've not seen us travel, you've not seen us do a whole hell of a lot of anything, because we have been saving and planning to do just this. So the purpose of this video is not to show off. I have no intentions of doing that in anything I do. It kind of fits in with my overall helping people, which is kind of, I mean, as you know, with like Foster and my businesses and stuff, this is what I focus on. So, you know, why would this be any different? A little bit of work happening here, tearing up what is an old, basically a laminate that they put down on the counters. So we're looking to see if the counters can be saved or if we're gonna need new counters. Definitely need a new stove, new sink. Gonna head and paint those cabinets. Got nice hardwood floors, just needs a buffing. Got stuck to said sticky stuff. Old radiator, which is actually not functional. It's all updated heat. And, you know, got some painting to do and basically just some touch up. Clean this floor up, you can see it. Nice little sitting area, and it's actually a 2-bedroom. So this is my wife and I's first rental property. We dove headfirst into this. This is something that we've been planning for quite a while, and really just at the end of the day was finally glad to be able to pull the trigger. So I got a nice updated bathroom here. Previous owner did that. Got some cleaning to do, of course. Not exactly sure what was here, but as you can see, that is a nice little exposed wire Romex. So definitely gonna head and either have that dropped, or like I said, I'm not sure if they had like a light or something there, but believe it or not, it was in the inspection. So I don't know what exactly was there at one time. So one of the things that we did was, this was all brown paint, and we're actually gonna be changing it to white, which you can see here. This is actually the base coat to break through the brown. So we'll come through with another coat, and probably tomorrow or the day after. And you know, it's kind of hard to see on video, but this has really opened up this area, made it super bright. We're gonna do new hardware. We wanted to do you know, the actual hinges we wanted to do new, but those hinges, you know, these are older cabinets, so those hinges are actually baked into the wood. So unfortunately we had to paint it white. Wasn't my first preference, but you know, once it's all said and done, it's gonna look really good, and this kitchen is gonna look nice and updated. We'll end up doing a new sink. It already has, you can see here, it already has a newer fridge, and then it has an older gas stove, but it fully works. Clean it up, make it nice. We threw paint on the walls, first coat, and you know, it's not gonna come through on video just as well, but you can see here that, you know, it's all much brighter from the video that you saw at the beginning, which when this was all just, you know, the older, darker brown, like not really brown, but it was kind of like a gray. Didn't look great. And then you can see our makeshift playroom, because, you know, we do have the twins and they have to come with us when we do this work. So yeah, I mean, this is coming along really nice. We have maybe about another week's worth of work for everything in the apartment, and then get it on the market. So this is super exciting, because this is our first rental property, and this apartment specifically is the first one that we've worked on to actually get it market ready. I'm gonna head out of here because I have some people coming in and doing some work pretty soon, and head back to the office.